In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Hamburger menu to Wix. To get started, open your Wix editor and look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you will find the main toolbar with the tools you need to add new content and features to your site. The first thing you want to do is click the Add Elements icon, which is marked with a plus symbol. This opens the Elements panel, where Wix groups different website features into categories so you can quickly find what you need. Once the panel is open, look through the list for either menu and anchor or menu depending on the version of the editor you are using. When you hover over that section, Wix will open a submenu with more options. In that list, click on Hamburger menus. This is where Wix keeps the menu styles designed for compact navigation, which is especially useful for mobile-friendly layouts and clean header designs. After that, take a moment to browse the available pre-made Hamburger menu designs. Wix gives you a selection of styles, so you can choose one that fits the look and feel of your website. As you are selecting a design, think about how visible and easy to use it will be for visitors. A simple, clear icon usually works best because people recognize it quickly. When you find the style you want, click and drag it from the panel into your site layout. Be sure to place it directly inside the header section of your website. This part is important because adding the Hamburger menu to the header helps it appear consistently across your pages. That gives your site a more organized and professional navigation experience. As you drop it into place, make sure it is aligned neatly within the header area so it looks intentional and easy to access. The header is the best location because visitors expect navigation controls to be there, and Wix uses that section to maintain consistency throughout the site. Once the menu is in the header, the basic setup is complete. You now have a Hamburger menu added to your Wix site using one of the built-in design options. This is a quick way to improve navigation while keeping your layout clean and modern. That covers everything you need to know.